John Ralston, Managing Director, Tank-Weld Equipment Limited.
Okay, what are some of the key features of the F3000 rotating recover wrecker, and what are some of the existing challenges for the recover vehicles in Jamaica today?
Okay, so this rotating wrecker is the first of its kind in Jamaica. The key features of it is that this boom rotates 360 degrees with a capacity of 30 tons with an extension of 45 feet. The reason for this is that Jamaica's roads are very narrow and very steep. And what happens is that when vehicles go off the side of the road into a ravine or into a river or something like that, because the roads are so narrow, this truck can come up and pull up alongside in the same plane as the road itself and be able to rotate 180 degrees and pick up anything that has gone down into the ravine. The trucks that are currently here in Jamaica don't have that capability, so what they have to do is they block the road, put the trucks at a 45 degree or 90 degree to the actual embankment, and then at that point in time do the recovery. So this truck is able to do these recoveries in a much faster way. After we pick up the load and put it on the ground behind the truck, we can then hook up to the back of the wrecker and actually put it home as a conventional wrecker as well. And that's what the pluses are of this particular truck.